how to use ASOS Tall, Petite and Curve section. Now, using the ASOS Tall, Petite and Curve section involves navigating to a dedicated specifically designed ranges rather than just ordering smaller or large sizes of standard clothes. What you need is open the ASOS app onto your device. Here, you want to go to the category first of all. When you go to the categories section, you want to make sure to go ahead and start looking for brands, accessory, all that. So this is also going to help you out first of all in order to categorize as well. If that's not the case, you want to go to the menu and you could just go ahead and look for these sections. You could just go ahead and look for it, ASOS Tall, something like that. Or you could just go ahead and select the category at the top and there you have it. You could just tap onto the search and you could just type in your query like tall, petite or curvy section. And this way as well, you will be able to use ASOS Tall or Petite and Curvy section. If that's not the case, you could also go to the section first of all, whether it's men or women. After which you would go to the section or specifically select, and if you want to go with the product, you could just go ahead and open that app, and at the bottom you have these size or fit, right? You could just go to the fit, and this is where you could go ahead and actually help you out. So you can go to view size guide. This is also going to help you out. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.